Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Snapchat notifications not showing. If you're using Snapchat and your Snapchat notifications are not showing, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So the very first thing you have to check, you have to open up your settings, and here you just have to scroll down and look for apps. Then further scroll down and look for Snapchat here. And from here, you just have to look for the notification section. Simply tap on that. And here you have to make sure that you have enabled all of these toggles. You have to enable all toggles, and you have to select the show previews and then select always. And once you have selected these all, so it will almost fix your issue if your Snapchat has no any access to notifications, so it will be given. Or if you are still having the same issue, so you have to open the app store, then go for search, and here you have to simply search for Snapchat, and you have to make sure that you have updated your Snapchat app, or if you have any update available like that, you have to try to update your app. And once you have updated, it will almost fix your issue. Or if it doesn't work for you, you just have to open settings, and here very first thing you have to check, you just have to scroll down and you have to make sure that you are not on do not disturb mode. So open this focus, and here you will get the do not disturb mode. If you have enabled this, you just have to turn it off or disable just like that. And once you have disabled, you have to go to your settings, and here if you're still having the same issue, so you have to make sure that your phone is not on silent mode, or if you are on silent mode, you have to try to disable silent mode. And then you have to go for general and go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset all settings. So if you have enabled or disabled any settings, so it will fix after this step. So you just have to select that option, and here you have to enter your passcode. Once you have entered, you will get this type pop up. You have to select the reset all settings, and your all setting will be reset, and after that you will get the Snapchat notifications. So in this way you can easily fix if your Snapchat notification is not showing. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.